Hello and welcome to the world of technologies. In this video, we will discuss 5 major technologies that will dominate in the near future. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science and technology that focuses on creating systems and machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include problem solving, learning from experience, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. 2. Robotic process automation. Robotic process automation, RPA, is a technology that focuses on automating repetitive, rule-based tasks within business processes using software robots or bots. In summary, robotic process automation, RPA, is a technology that uses software robots to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks in business processes. It offers efficiency gains and cost savings by eliminating manual work, and it is increasingly being integrated with AI and machine learning to handle more complex tasks and decision-making. 3. 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a revolutionary technology that allows the creation of three-dimensional objects by adding material layer by layer. In summary, 3D printing is a transformative technology that allows the creation of three-dimensional objects by adding material layer by layer. It has a wide range of applications across various industries, enables customization and complex geometries, and is becoming more accessible to a broader audience as costs continue to decrease. 4. Blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that underlies cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin but has broader applications. In summary, blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that offers transparency, security, and decentralization. It is known for its role in enabling cryptocurrencies but has diverse applications across industries, including finance, supply chain, healthcare, and more. Its potential impact on various sectors continues to be explored and developed. 5. The Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of interconnected physical objects or things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies, allowing them to collect and exchange data over the Internet. In summary, the Internet of Things, IoT, is a transformative technology that connects physical objects to the Internet, enabling data collection, analysis, and automation across various industries. Its potential to enhance efficiency, improve decision-making, and create new opportunities continues to drive its widespread adoption and development. If you find the content of this video useful, please like, comment, share and subscribe.